Welcome to another video, guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And honestly, in today's video, we're going to talk about traffic. I haven't pulled up any of my traffic sources, but I want to just go through a little bit of a couple of things. Okay. If you guys don't know me, I started online about in 2011, failed for majority of the time, and there are lots of internet marketers out there who you might find online for a long time, okay, who will say that they're online for 6 years, for 7 years, for 8 years, whatever it is, but they have not had enough experience, exposure, or follow the plan consistently enough in order for them to talk, okay, in order for them to express themselves. Am I one of these marketers? I was. I am no more. I passed that phase where I worked, failed, and then finally took the time to implement without causing the hype, with being completely realistic with myself, with my targets, with my goal, and see elements change for myself that I had to build my own system now in order for me to start to continue to offer the value to the people who are following me. So in case you guys are interested, what I've done for you is I've left a demo to a software that I use, which will basically give you access to me. What does that mean? Two things. One, it'll give you access to have for us to have a conversation, okay? And the second thing, it will just give you access to a very, very powerful thing. Now I'm going to get into all the details as if you want it, if you're interested in working with me. Any of the 3 links that you see in the description, those links, depending on whatever you like. If you like cryptocurrency and you want to start trading and learning about that, then you can learn about that there. I have a course and a membership that I can help you with, which will teach you how to get micro profits in cryptocurrency trades on a daily basis, where you can honestly get up in the morning and predict how much you're going to make. How cool would that be, right? You switch on a button and you know, I'm going to, a realistic number, not a gigantic stupid number, but a realistic number, okay? So this is what I want to let you know. And the third link that you'll find is to the pro system itself. Now the elements or the strategy that I'm going to talk to you about today in today's video is with traffic is a part of the pro system. It's what I teach in the pro system. So if you want to get access to that and actually help each other by allowing me to teach you, then let me know and I will send that over to you. So let's get into a brief, very, very simple idea on how. I want a red color, red. Yes, that's it. That's what I want. I'm gonna draw a funnel for you guys. Okay, hopefully I can draw well enough. Okay, it's gonna be a funnel for you. I'm gonna be doing these kind of funnel videos with drawings more so that it's more visual for you guys, but this way at least it's understandable. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put layers here. You guys know what a funnel is. Most probably you have seen these kind of things online, but I'm just gonna explain to you a little bit more about the elements, okay? And I'm gonna write the elements down for you. So what my system also, the pro system is about, okay, has a few elements. One of the elements is traffic, okay? So I'm gonna put traffic right here and you'll see why. Okay, one of the elements is traffic. Great. Okay, the other element that I have that everyone should have is a marketing system. Okay, and the last and final element is the product. Okay, so we put product in yellow and we'll put product, basically what you're selling, product, service, or service. Okay, service. Okay, that should be what you're looking at. Okay, these are the basic elements of it. Now there's one other element which I'm not going to put here, but I'm going to put on this side right here. Maybe I'm just going to write it here, and I'm going to put support. Now support is something that for example I offer quite a bit to no, I don't want it so big. Don't need that. There we go. Let's just increase that a bit. That should be fine, guys. So that is support. Okay, these are the elements that I would suggest anybody to have in general in your kind of funnel. And we're gonna go through the elements today and talk about traffic. Remember, this video is about how to generate traffic, but I wanted you to understand that these elements are needed. So what do we do quickly? Okay, I'm gonna put it in green so you guys understand the leads. Oh, there you go. This, yeah. So the leads come through your system and they come here. Okay, and I'm gonna put it straight, but you have leads coming in from all over. Okay, imagine millions of leads coming in from different sources. You are active on YouTube, you're active on Facebook. These are leads that come into your system. Now they slowly go through this whole process where you are basically talking about your product, you're talking about your service, you're talking about a strategy. Okay, a strategy, and you're giving proof, because without proof no one is going to believe you. Okay, no one is going to believe you, no one's going to get anything from you. So you're going to have product, service, or proof. These are the things that are going to go through your system. Now what is this whole funnel? This whole funnel is your marketing system. It is your marketing system. Okay, the funnel itself is a presentation for you. Now people come in. Okay, many people might come here. I'm just going to use an example. Really, a lot of people are going to come here. Now, less people are going to come here. Less people are going to come here. Less people are going to come here. Less people are going to come here, and less people are going to come here. You have to understand this, that it goes down, okay? Because what you're doing is filtering them to be the serious people to finally give you something that you love and I love and everybody else enjoys, which is money. Okay, that's what's going to happen at the end of this is going to happen. Okay, and you in then turn, you can teach them the strategy, you can teach them the process, you can talk to them whatever you want to talk to them, you can give them your offer, your service, your proof, and allow them to basically support you and you support them. Okay, but in this video, like I said, we're going to talk about this right here, which is the traffic sources. The traffic sources are very, very important. Okay, this is what is something that I would focus on if I were you after I get all of this set up. Okay, after I get all of this set up, I can focus only on this. This is an active, proactive form of actually making money online. So let's get into the traffic sources. I'm going to go to my tips with Dave. Actually, I'm going to go to Online Sales Pro for a second. Just can get the page that way. And let's quickly get into this. So I need to log in, guys. Just give me a second. Sorry. I like to do these videos quite live for you guys so you can see. And honestly, I don't want to take too much of your time. I know that it's already quite a bit of time that I've taken to talk to you about the strategy, but I think it's very, very important that you guys do understand it. So let's quickly go into the traffic sources right here. There's a link for it, and I'm going to give you guys some proof as well. Okay, so my plan is, okay, my plan, these are my traffic sources, guys. The link is in the description of this video in case you want any of these traffic sources, but you have to go through the Pro system or any of the three links. You have to click any of the three links that you see down there, and you'll be taken. This is integrated in the plan. This is part of the Pro system itself. I want to show you this, guys. Okay, I have every single. This is some kick-ass testimonials right here. Okay, so you can see that I have from May. Let's just do May. Okay, from the 6th of May, every single week there has been traffic. Every single week, non-stop. This is the week that we are on right now. I just finished a traffic order. 16th of July, another one. 23rd of July, another one. 30th of July, another one. So I basically am sending more and more and more people, as I mentioned right here, to the system that I have in place. okay? And every single week I go. So what is needed first and foremost, okay? What is needed first and foremost is sorry. I'm still getting used to this place. Consistency, guys. Consistency. Okay? This is so important. You do this week after week after week. Okay, as you can see, I plan a month in advance. We are in the beginning of July, and I've already got the whole of July set up for me. And now I'll already start planning for August itself. Okay, for August itself. So it's definitely going to be a benefit for me. So these are the three traffic sources that I have. I would suggest to get started with Udemy first if you're unsure. It's a good traffic source to get to. Reach out to me once you do get your link, and I will give you my top traffic sources that I use on Udemy itself to get results. Okay, to get results, to get responsive traffic, and actually make this the whole process work. Okay, that's about it from me, guys. In this video, I wanted to give you an idea that it needs consistent traffic that is going to help with your system. If you're not going to do it consistently, and if you feel, oh my God, I'm going to struggle, David, yes, it costs. How am I supposed to do it? Just take a look at the plan that I have in place with the Pro system, and it'll teach you literally how to have like a budget for yourself and actually something that funds your whole advertising. The biggest companies in the world, guys, feel the need to advertise. Why not you? Okay, we tend to join online businesses or any kind of businesses and feel like making a video is enough. No, I'm making a video, sending emails, training myself to increase my knowledge of my products, and I'm sending weekly traffic on a weekly basis. Now this means that there's consistency. I'm not just sitting down and doing nothing. If you are, then stop, don't look at this video, go away, and even unsubscribe from my channel. Okay, we want action takers on my channel. So if you are one of them, hit the subscribe button, let me know, give your feedback and comments, and I'm going to come out with another video soon, so stay tuned.